Hey, are you a local business based in the United Kingdom? We've got a special offer at the moment for those of you who are electricians, your plumbers, including professional services, those of you who have a private practice, you're a dentist. I've got a strategy that I want to help you with that I've been studying and testing out, trying different things, because you can try email marketing, video marketing, and audio, having a podcast. These three, if you use these three correctly, there is no way you will not be generating leads every week, every single week, sometimes every single day. Listen, this is a special offer at the moment. It's a summer special offer. And if you're like, you know what, before Christmas comes, I need to hit my revenue goals because you've got some plans or some holidays or trips, or you want to expand your business, or you want to go international, or you want to start hiring some apprentices, but you look at your revenue at the moment and you're like, oh, we can't afford to hire anybody else. Listen, take me up on this offer. It's only for a limited time and currently based in London, so we are supporting local businesses. And one of the things that I encourage you to do is to take action really quickly. Don't take too long about it because you might miss your spot. So I've got a link actually somewhere down below where you can get more details. Speak to you soon.